Welcome to Hua Hin. Hazelnut pretzel, and this is a Danish with chocolate and pistachio. Let's see what Hua Hin has to offer. It's our first time here, super excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Checked into our hotel, and so we have ocean view, which is really cool because we have the sunset on this side.
I just do. Going hard in the club in the late night. I kinda hate that too. But being with you kinda got me liking a lot of things that I never knew. Sometimes I get a little shy, but I don't want to wait you. You make me want to touch the sky. You make me want to get you. I ain't no social butterfly, but when I'm next to you, I feel like I want to dance all night. But if you do, I do. I don't go out. But I wanna go out with you. I don't make plans. But if you go
the telephone line. They don't want me in the movie and nobody cries. So my mama said, baby, do it fine.
ถ้าคู่ถึงเขาลดไม่ได้พี่ครับ
Her, his daughters.
Quick 7-Eleven haul. We got some coconut rolls. These are new, never had these. Mango sheet and tamarind sheets. Chocolate nougat crisp, looks delicious. Our vitamin C. Six a.m. now. We came to the Hua Hin Fishing Harbor where they arrive in the morning with all the fish and just currently unloading. And the people are so kind and nice. Super cool experience. We ate here before. It's a horseshoe. Oh my god, I never saw this.
That's is it correctly? The neck. Blue crab. They have like the restaurant exactly next to the pier.
Hello.
Can I say hi? Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? Name? Welcome.
Bye-bye. Coffee? Yes.
Boys.
Oh my god, it's so good. I forgot to say less sweet. It's very sweet, but 7 a.m. That's what I need right now. I need to wake up. I need sugar. Can I try your coffee?
It's for you.
And iced coffee. Like strong high coffee. It's 7 a.m. and the streets are packed here. The restaurants are full. Every restaurant is open. Families are out. They're eating. They're having like the best food at this time. I love it.
Oh, look at that shrimp. That's called tiger prawn, actually, here. Looks amazing. Keep coming.
This is the shrimp and lemongrass sauce. And we have shrimp with garlic. Spicy green seafood sauce. She's full, yes, she's full. Thank you. Look at my husband. They even gave us some pineapple to try. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you again. This is the morning market in Hua Hin. Hua Hin. This is where you need to come. 7 a.m. in Hua Hin and the streets are busy. People out eating. I love it. Thai people are really early birds. Okay, so we got this pineapple and we got the potato balls. Oh my god, it's so delicious.
How is it?
It's so good.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, this is the sweet potato ball.
Yeah, with your hand. Imagine having this fresh morning.
Delicious.
Delicious.
The golden ball, the enormous potato. Wake up early when you're in Hua Hin. Just walk along the streets and try out the local food. We're just on our way to catch some normal breakfast and coffee. But what's out here on the street is much, much better than in a coffee shop. Love it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so I can create more videos for you. See you next week. Bye!